Hi everybody, this is Sonia with Paper Pizzazz, and I have a little journal that I made that I just wanted to show you how I decorated it. I just had some 12 by 12 paper, and I just folded it over, and I'm just going to open it up. I tied it with it's kind of a sheer ribbon. I had a topper that I had made for the cover, just some washi and some little flowers and just some little, I sewed around this edging and just a kind of a collage. That was the topper. I put some lace on the top, and inside, let's see, I had some washi that I did like a flip, and I flipped it over and I put a little pocket on the inside. Here was, this was tracing paper that I made, and I just put some lace and stickers and put a little card here to pull out. I have, see if I can get this in view. I have another little card that I just glued on here. It's like a little writing space. I did some stamping in here, a sticker, just some places to write, some lace. I have some coffee dyed paper. I put some lace. On this page, I had some book pages and some photos I'd cut out and some random lace and some things. A lot of coffee dyed paper, lots of places to write. Here's some music paper that I had, and just some other little tags that I had made that I glued on. Stickers, washi, some tissue paper, some buttons, some little stamps, and just some things I had around on my desk. These were some faux bread tags that I made. I have a video of this on my playlist, and I just cut some out and I sewed them together, and I have a little bowl pin here that I just hooked them on here. Some lace, some tissue paper, another little pocket with some little pull-out things that I made and stapled a little handle there. Just made pockets of different things, lace, and some more music paper. Here's some other pictures I got from a magazine. I did bind this together with embroidery thread, and then I made some dangles. I made some little beaded dangles. This is a little flip thing. I flip up with this, just with some extra cutouts or cut-offs from paper. Here's another little tag. Let's see. Okay, you don't pull that out. I forgot how I did that. Okay, here's another pocket with a little ephemera. A pocket. This was from an envelope that I stamped, and I kind of used some distress oxide on it. And then I had some extra paper, and I just hooked them together with a bowl pin and just put in here. And I just have some more coffee dyed paper. I have some buttons that I used, and some little gems, and some lace, and some little tissue paper. And then on the very back page, I have another pocket. I had a lot of pockets in here. This was from, the tracing paper, and I just put some washi, put a photograph here, made a little journal card with a little top thing, I forget what you call these, and a gem, and that is the last page. And that was this journal here, and I just tied it with some ribbon. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.